At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grande at philsgang.com. You know, people make it too complicated. Wall Street tells you the market cap and the trailing PE and the forward PE and price to sales to confuse you. All you need to know is, does the stock have volume? What's that mean? Energy. What does that mean? If you have people buying a stock, enough of the stock's being bought, it influences the prices to go up. Join my gang, philsgang.com. We're using charting, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
I will be the first African American, the first woman to chair the powerful Financial Services Committee. That's all of Wall Street. That's all the insurance companies. That's all the banks. What am I going to do to you? What I'm going to do to you is fair. I'm going to do to you what you did to us.
Wow. That's unbelievable. That's Maxine Waters. Can you imagine? This woman is nuts. You could take her brains, the amount of brains she has, and put in a little thimble, and still have plenty of room to put in a rowboat. I mean, this woman is so dumb, it's incredible. Even the Democrats are quietly saying, you gotta be kidding. I mean, this woman is unbelievably stupid. She can't put two words together. And now she's going to head the most powerful committee, and she's going to use it as a weapon? As a weapon? Remember, the idea behind this committee she's chairing. She's supposed to be protecting us, protecting the consumers, protecting our investments. It's her job to make sure that our investments and the investments in our nation, that she's supposed to monitor them, take care of them. We're supposed to make sure that we all benefit from these investments. Keep our economy on strong footing, sound footing. She's supposed to be helping working families, protecting our nation's security. Are you kidding? That's what the chair, that's the responsibility of the chair of the Senate Banking Committee. This is really scary, but we'll get back to that in a moment. But first, more scary. I could not believe today, I had to laugh when they came out with the job numbers. I predicted that that this rally they're having because the job numbers would fail, and it did. Now we're negative 170 points. Now what they're saying, the reason why the market failed was because Kudlow is contradicting his boss, the president. The president has been going around all day and has been telling people that they've got a great deal together with China. Fantastic deal. Best deal they've ever had in the world with China. The most explosive deal they've ever had. The greatest deal. Never had a deal this great. And what does Kudlow say? This dope.
There's no massive movement to deal with trade. Haven't seen it yet. No, we haven't seen anything from the Chinese yet.
But he's saying that while his boss is saying, oh, we got a deal. Like we've never had before. Be the greatest trade deal ever. Cuddle's an idiot.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
I told you and I predicted Larry Kudlow is going to be fired. He is not going to be there by the first of the year. Right after the election, he's going to have to leave. He is so dumb, this man. He didn't even identify when we were having a housing crisis. When almost every state was going into a housing crisis, he was still out there saying, oh, there's none. I see no housing crisis. Do you, Jim? He kept saying that, Jim, his partner. Do you see any? And Jim would say, oh, no, I don't see any. I don't see any either, trying to cover them. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. But here's what's really unbelievable. What gets me grumpy. They come out with the job numbers today. 250,000 jobs. I don't care about the 250,000 jobs. 44% of them are fake anyways. They're all front-loaded. I'll explain that a little bit later. But here's what I get really grumpy about. They come out, they're all excited. Wages are way up. They're all excited about wages. Wages are fantastic, they're telling us. Wages are going up.
250,000 jobs. Non-farm payrolls rose by 250,000 jobs in October. The unemployment rate unchanged at 3.7%. Average hourly earnings for the year, they're up 3.1%. That is the biggest jump in wages since April 2009.
Big jump in wages. Here, listen to this. Listen to this.
Whoa, exciting times in money and politics. Wages are rising at the fastest pace in 10 years.
What do you mean? Wages? The dollars. The dollars he's talking about that you get. He says, oh, you're going to get more dollars. You mean I'm going to get more air? I'm going to get more air? The dollars that you're giving me are worthless. People have to work 2 and 3 jobs. We never had people working more jobs, multiple jobs, because you have to work harder and more jobs because you can't keep up with it because the dollar value keeps going down because the dollar's not tied to anything. The dollar is tied to air. I've always said that they impeached Nixon, or he avoided the impeachment, they're going to impeach him, for the wrong crime. Watergate. He had a bigger crime than Watergate. Much bigger crime than Watergate. When he decided to take the gold away from the dollar. Our Constitution tells us you got for every dollar you print. This is the Constitution. For every dollar you print, you got to have a weight against that. So either got to be gold, silver, there's got to be some weight. That's the Constitution of the United States. Read it. It's got to be backed. It's got to be weighted. And if you don't have gold backing a dollar, meaning it used to be the gold standard, every dollar they printed, you had to have $1 gold. So that meant our politicians could not go to every war. Our politicians couldn't build every bridge to nowhere. You only could print so much money, which kept inflation down. Which means you could work 1 job instead of 3 now. You could save, because when your money was in a savings account, it was backed by something. There was some value. But you put money in a savings account. What are you putting in there? A piece of paper. The value of our dollar keeps going down every day. Oh, they're excited. It went up 3%. So what? Inflation is killing that. Real inflation is 3 times that 3%. Real inflation is 8%. Go to a movie. Go to a movie, get a ticket, buy some popcorn, see what it costs you. Go to a supermarket. They even devalue your dollar at the supermarket. Ever get a bag of potato chips? You go home, you look at the bag of half of it's full of chips. Everything else is there. There they are again, screwing you. They're devaluating your dollar by giving you a bag of potato chips that's half filled. So they're charging us $3 for this bag, but they're only giving you $1 worth of potato chips. The dollar keeps going down. So I have to laugh when they come out and they got this big thing about, oh, we're so excited. Varney, this idiot, Listen to this dope. He has no clue. He's an idiot.
Whoa, exciting times in money and politics. Wages are rising at the fastest pace in 10 years. Whoa, exciting times in money.
Exciting time. Wages, an increase. Wait a minute. Think about this increase. We're up 5 cents in October. 5 cents. So let's think about a yearly basis. You made 83 cents more this year than you did last year. 83 cents more. That's it. And the dollars they give you when you get your paycheck and change it into dollars, they're worthless. There's nothing backing it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I mean, people should be revolting, not be getting excited. Dollar backed by air, and they're excited. You're going to get more air in your dollar. What are you, nuts?
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures. Saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert. It says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night. You don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, we're talking about today how we got these big wage increases. Yeah, big wage increases. You're rich. If you're on wages, you are so rich, you're not going to know what to do with your money tonight. Your wages went up 5 cents in October. 5 cents! And they're so excited about this. Listen, 5 cents.
Wages are up.
This wage growth kicking up.
So wages should go up right now because workers have better and more machines to work with. Stronger wages is
wages rising very strong indeed.
5 cents. 5 cents in October. But they don't tend to, they don't understand wages. What's a wage? What do you get? You get a piece of paper called a dollar. It's a piece of paper. It's worthless. There's nothing backing that dollar. We are so lucky that the other people around the world are so stupid. Can you imagine? We can take a tree, cut it down, turn it into paper, put some printed pictures on it, slap on a picture of some president 20 years ago, take that paper, we can go to Africa and buy oil. We can go to China, buy bulldozers with a piece of paper that has no value. Nothing. There's nothing behind it. And there you are, working 3 jobs. Some people are working 4 jobs just to keep up. They got to keep up because it's a never-ending race. You got to keep working hard because when you go to the supermarket, that piece of paper you have, because there's nothing backing it except here, there's no value to our dollars. So that means everything you buy, you got to make more of those pieces of paper. You got to have 3 pieces of those paper, where a year ago you had to have 1 to buy that same watermelon. So having 1 piece of paper, now you need 3. So that means you got to get an extra job because you need 3. And then it's going to get worse. You're going to need 4 pieces of paper. Because our government can continue to have any war they want. They can start any war they want. See, when every dollar they printed under the Constitution had to have something backing it, had to have gold. So every dollar they printed, they had to have $1 of gold in reserve, or they couldn't print $1. So if they wanted to go to war, they couldn't go to war because they didn't have enough money to go to war, because they couldn't just print the money. They had to have $1 behind it. Nixon was the one who turned around and said, well, I want to go to war. I want to go to war. We got to fund Vietnam. I want to go to war. So let's just get rid of this gold standard. We can print all the dollars we want. Now we go to war. We can buy all the airplanes we want. We can buy all the tanks we want. Just give them paper. We don't have to have any gold behind it. And that's when this country started to tank. How do you come back from that? You can't. It's almost impossible. When your currency is made out of thin air, it's almost impossible. They say when you go to a supermarket and the bag of potato chips, you look at it, that used to once be full, now instead of a full bag of potato chips, you get half a bag, and you wonder why? That's because of the worthless pieces of paper you got to pull out of your wallet to pay for it. There's no gold standard. There's no value to it. That's why you've got to start buying gold stocks. Gold stocks. I know gold has been down. And thank God gold has been down. We're just starting to put gold back up, and we're starting to buy gold. So we've taken our gold and GDX. And we've been waiting. GDX, gold mining stock. Now, if you take the last year, the last year gold has dropped. These gold mining stocks have dropped from about $28 down to around $17. Now, we got a 40% discount. 40% discount. Now, it just started to turn green. It's just starting to turn green. You should be buying GDX. Why don't you join the gang? Follow me, $39.95, and I will guide you with my other gang members who follow me on GDX, on gold. Because people are going to start getting smart. They're going to start, when this market starts to crash, people are going to start running to gold again. They're not going to go and buy Pepsi stock or buy Procter & Gamble stock or buy Clorox stock or any of those consumer discretionary stocks or consumer cyclical stocks. They're not going to buy those. They're not going to buy bonds. They're going to go to gold. Just think about this. They're all excited. You got a 5-cent raise in October. 5 cents, all these jibber jabbers. But you know what? Haven't they thought? Before Reagan, if you take our U.S. debt, our national debt was $750 billion. Then Reagan tripled it over his 8 years. And then Bush added another $1.5 trillion in one term. Clinton did add $1.4 trillion. Bush added $5.8 trillion. And Obama added $9 trillion. Now we're at $21 trillion. So as our debt keeps going up, the dollar keeps going down. The value of our dollar has gone down over 42%. The value, just like when people say, oh, we mean, Phil, our wages are going up now. No. Why don't you go and check it out? Withholding tax. Go to the Department of Treasury. That's where you get the real answer. Your wages are at a 15-year low. They're no different than they were 15 years ago. No different. The only difference is, and they say, well, but my check is bigger. Well, of course your check is bigger, but you got to adjust for the inflation. Your buying power has decreased 42%. You're getting the same wages. This is insane. We get back, we got to make some money on this.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts,
You have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, I want you to think about something. Think about our national debt, what we owe. We've gone from $750 billion to $20 trillion. Each household, if they sent a bill to each one of our households in this country, you'd have to write a check for like $200,000. That'd be your share of it. We're in deep trouble. So then they tell you today, they're all excited, wages went up 5 cents in October. You made 83 cents more than you did last year. And here's their trick. Here's how they try to trick you. And they're saying wages year over year are up, 3.1%. Here's how they trick you. They always lie about the inflation rate. So they say inflation is 2%. That way they can peg and say, look at this. Our inflation is only 2%. But year over year, your wages went up 3.1%. When the truth is, inflation is 3 times that. Inflation is 8.3%. Anybody goes to a movie this weekend, anybody goes to the grocery store this weekend, anybody pays their health insurance this weekend, you're not stupid. People are smart. I hope they're not buying into this. If there's going to be a revolt, this is where the revolt should be. Put everything back on the gold standard. Stop killing the dollars in our wallet. The real inflation is 8.3%, but all you ever hear is 2%, 2%. The Fed inflation rate, 2%, 2%. So they can lie to you when your wages go up 3.1, and they say, oh, look at that. Inflation isn't eating up your wage increases. Inflation is. Inflation is. Your premiums, insurance premiums alone are. And here's the other thing. You know, when the worst thing that ever happened was this tax cut they gave to corporations with the lie that they were going to take that money, that savings to corporations, and it was going to work its way down to Main Street, to homeowners, to families, that their wages were going to increase. Because we were sold by, and remember how this happened. Gary Cohn and Larry Kudlow are best friends. Kudlow wanted to get into the White House so bad. And it was Kudlow's idea. It was Kudlow's idea. The stupid corporate tax cut. This is how we're going to get money to the people. It's how we're going to get money to people. They're lying. They were lying. So Cohen and Kudlow, Cohen never wanted to stay in the White House. He's a Wall Street guy. He makes a fortune. This guy makes about $27 million a year. He's the one of the 1 percentile. And Larry needed a job, so he got the job. And they convinced this president, Mr. President, this is how you're going to get people the money to Main Street. You give all these corporations, all of Cohen's best pals, all his friends he deals with every day on Wall Street, you cut their taxes for them, and they're going to make sure they take that tax money and they're going to get it to the people. That's not how you get money to the people. Through corporations cutting their taxes? What are you, stupid? What, corporations are nice people? Corporations are kind people? They're going to give the working guy money when the CEOs are making 300 to 500 times what their workers are? But the president believed it. Now we got a mess. Now what are we doing? We're running over there to China, selling them treasuries. We're quickly selling treasuries off our Fed balance sheet. We got to sell these treasuries. And when you sell treasury, interest rates are going to go up. The Fed interest rate is going to go to 4 to 5%. That's going to affect the payments on your car, affect the payments on your credit card, affect the payment on your home improvement loan, on everything. On your snowmobile, your ski mobile, your dog with the collar, the chain you bought, hook them up to the Jeep this weekend, make you look tough. Or buy those spinners when you're at a red light and you look cool and it looks like your wheels are going backward when your car's going forward. Stupid stuff. So listen to this. So my pal Gasparino, I couldn't believe what he said today. He was so right on it, saying exactly what I've been saying.
I don't know if this corporate tax cut is the magic bullet here, because if you're going to expand the economy through some sort of supply side motion, right, you got to get people more money in their pockets. Okay, corporations, when you put more money in their pockets, they generally don't give it to the workers. They generally don't expand. Guess what they do? They do stock buybacks.
There you go. There you go. What I've been telling you, the same thing. Stock buybacks. Stock buybacks, like getting rid of gold to back the dollar, get rid of gold standards. These stock buybacks need to be stopped. Stock buybacks are killing you. Stock buybacks are destroying our country from within, imploding. Your dollars are going to be worth even less with these stock buybacks. The stock market, though, here's what you got to do. You got to be prepared to short this market. I beg you all the time. October, they're all complete. Oh, here's what I love. Listen to this. The same guys, when the market was going down last week, who were saying this, right here, listen to this.
So what exactly is going on right now?
I mean, how do you know what's going on?
What the devil's going on? I mean, I can't explain this. Down, up, down.
Caterpillar is getting crushed today.
Yeah,
I'm so confused.
So he says, well, I forget his name. Anyways, he says that Caterpillar's getting confused. I can think of his name. He's Charles Payne. Getting confused. He says, I don't know what's going on. But listen to him today when the market was going up this morning.
This is like one of these blockbuster days you dream about.
Very strong report on all fronts.
We've got really solid numbers across the board.
From Main Street's point of view, this is amazing. A lot of good news in this report.
These numbers today back up the way that people are feeling in this country.
This is a great report, no question about it.
Wait a minute. 2 days later, it was the opposite. They were confused.
So what exactly is going on right now?
I mean, how do you know what's going on?
What the devil's going on? I mean, I can't explain this.
And then Varney today, he says this.
Whoa, exciting times in money and politics. Wages are rising at the fastest pace in 10 years. Whoa, exciting times.
They're just stupid. These people are stupid people. It was dangerous. They're handling people's money. They're influencing people every day what to do with their money when they're just stupid. They're unbelievable. 2 days, they now know what's going on. Unbelievable. So here's what you've got to do. We've been in that October, when they didn't know what was going on, these guys were so confused. We weren't confused. We shorted the oils. OIH, 16% profit. RIG, 19%. Now, this was shorting. Bet they're going down. And again, I'm not suggesting that every gang member made these numbers. This is when the chart went from green to red. If they got in when it went from green to red, this is the profit center that you had an opportunity to get. These are the profit centers. Some people get half, some people get 10% of it, some people get all of it, depending on where they decide to get in. When it turns from green to red, and it goes down, OIH went down 16%, RIG went down 19%, Home Depot went down 15%, Target went down 8%, Low 15%. Now, some of my game members probably got it all. But it doesn't matter if they got all or 10% instead of 15% or 5% instead of 15%. It doesn't matter. They're on the right road. They're finally learning how to make money when the market's going down. And just like I always say, you wouldn't buy a car, would you, with no reverse? Join me. Join my gang, Phil's gang. And when I say the chart is gone from green to red, let's short. Follow me. And when I say run like hell, you'll run like hell.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Are you ready to get serious about your financial future? Reduce your debt, pay off those student loans, and prepare for retirement. Taking control of your finances can be intimidating, but with philsgang.com, you will be educated and guided to make smart investment decisions in the stock market. If the market is up or down, philsgang.com is the only source where you'll learn how to trade stocks and how to invest in the stock market using professional-level skills and strategies. For more information, go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures. Saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
If you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if your person says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Then go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. Now, here's Phil.
877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, that's 877-600-GANG. Call now, join the gang, $39.95 for 1 month. Follow me on my video stocks. I just gave you the percentage of gains from when they turned from green to red, identifying, pull your profits out, and start shorting. So the gains is 16, 19, 15, 10%. Now, Also, our gold turned from red to green with a buy signal, and that's up 25%. Airline, DAL, turned from red to green, up 5%. And again, I'm not suggesting every gang member made all that money. I'm saying that this works. My chart with my algorithms that follow the institutional money, that's what makes stocks go up down. The institutions buying and selling. They turn red when it's telling you they're pulling their money out, you're short. Turn green when they say they're putting their money in. Try it for a month, you see it works. I will select the stocks for my gang, I always do. And then we put it on the chart. When I say buy, you buy. When I say sell, you sell. When I say, okay, buy and add to your position, you do. You haven't got to do anything. And when I say run like hell, you follow me and we all run like hell. It's that simple. It's not hard. Try it for a month. And if it works for you, all I ask you, please donate to St. Jude. It works. Now, listen to what gets me is the absolute lying of these numbers, the job numbers today. I want you to understand something. When they give you a job number, 250,000, 150, doesn't matter. Deduct 44% right off the top. 44% is a lie. That's fluff. It's a lie. 44 is they're embellished by 44%. Here's how it's happened. When President Kennedy became president, his father Joe Kennedy wanted to find a way that he could control the job numbers for his son. He hired a New York economist firm. It was called Townsend and Greenspan. Remember the name Greenspan? So this is Joe Kennedy, the father of Jack Kennedy, the president. There was a young economist named Alan Greenspan. He created for Kennedy a system called birth-death metric system. What's that? Here's what they did. They would track the government numbers every month of the established corporations to identify how many new jobs they made available. These were the existing established companies. What they did is they would then go and they came up with a system where they go and track each state, each month, how many new corporations, papers were filed for a new corporation. Papers were filed every day for a new corporation. And then when the numbers came out, before the numbers came out, if Kennedy was, say he was hoping for 150, and they only came out 100, what these guys did is they created a system called birth-death metric system. They would go back and take two of the companies, will say, that they just filed their paperwork two weeks ago. No numbers, no nothing, no proof, and they would just assume, make an assumption that each one of those companies, even though they filed the paperwork 2 weeks ago, they now are going to employ 25,000 people each. That's how they got their 50,000, went from 100 to 150,000. They birth the numbers, and sometimes they death the numbers. What's that mean? Sometimes when you have too many jobs, that's creating inflation. And inflation goes up, that means they're going to raise interest rates. And the 1 percentile don't want interest rates going up because it kills the market. So if a number comes in too hot, the president then wants to kill these numbers, bring them down. So they'll pick up these corporations that just file paperwork. Nobody's been employed yet. They just do a lie, an assumption. 20,000 people lost their jobs. So now the jobs go down by 20,000. This has survived ever since Kennedy. It's still in place today, where the president, the administration that controls the White House, now controls the keys to the statistic closet, where they control the number. So never believe, okay, any of those numbers that you get. Deduct 44% right off the top. And lastly, listen to this. Listen, this guy says about the reason wages are up because people are working with factories and new machinery.
Wages are up.
This wage growth kicking up. So wages should go up right now because workers have better and more machines to work with. Stronger.
They don't have better and more new machines. It's a bold-faced lie. Because what are the CEOs doing with the money? What are they doing with the money they're making? They're buying stock. They're doing stock buybacks. They're not putting their money back into capital investment, into new machinery so people could produce more. And why aren't they doing that? Not only to get rich, but they can look down the road. They see the inflation. They see people can't make money fast enough. There's no demand for their products. So if you own a hat company and you're manufacturing 1,000 hats a day, you're going to buy a machine that's going to give 5,000 hats a day when there's no more demand than 1,000 hats a day? Why no more demand than 1,000 hats a day? Because the dollar's worthless. Because the dollar's not backed by anything. Because the dollar is not backed by gold or silver, just air. And when you've got currency that's backed by nothing, that means people have to work more, harder, and it's an ever lost battle. You keep losing the battle. You can't work fast enough. You can't accumulate savings. Because when you put savings into a savings account, you're putting pieces of paper that are worth nothing. See, when it was backed by gold, the government couldn't go do all these wars. They spent on 2 wars, Afghanistan and Iraq. I forgot what the number was. I think it was like $2.5 trillion. So think about that. If they had to have gold, they could have never printed the $2.5 trillion to go to war. We would have never been in that war. Instead, we could have taken that money and saved it and built new schools, new highways, whatever you had to do. See, when you allow your Congress, your representatives spend whatever they want because they got a printing machine, you're screwed. So when you go shopping this weekend, go to the supermarket and please let me know. Email me over by Monday for my show and let me know when you went to a movie or shopping. Do you really believe that inflation is 2.8%? 2.8%. It's unbelievable. Okay, more important, join my gang. Gold, I'm telling you, gold is going to be the place to be. There's nowhere else to be. And here's the other problem. People who are trying to get ahead, they're taking money and instead of saving it, they're investing it in crazy stuff because they know if they're just on wages, a person on wages and he works with 2 hands, like a dentist. Dentists always get in financial trouble before any other profession because a dentist only has 2 hands. He only can work on one mouth at a time. He's limited. And so what he does with his money, he keeps investing in crazy stuff and in other businesses. Dentists are always broke. They're the worst because they only can do so many teeth a day. And they're the ones that always tell you when you got 1 cavity, you always have a double. They have to do that. Sometimes they say you got triple. They always want to do a root canal on you, okay, because they only got 1 pair of hands. So they can't create. They can't create money fast enough. The money that they have is devaluating so fast that they can't get enough. They can't do enough teeth. Now you take that with almost everybody that works. If you're working for a wage, how do you get ahead? But guess who's making all the money? The 1 percentile, because they don't work for a wage. They're in the stock market. Every day they're in the stock market. They control in the market every day 85% of that market, 85% of the 13 trillion. They control it. So why don't you get a piece of it? Try it for at least a month. And if you like it and you finally are doing well, and you say, yeah, this works, please just remember St. Jude. Just remember St. Jude. We've been doing this for almost 20 years now. Look, I haven't got all the answers, but I can tell you this. I'm reaching out to you right now and telling you, join my gang. And for the next month, just follow me, whether I'm shorting a stock or buying a stock. Because you should be able to go to bed at night not worrying what the economy's doing, not worrying about what the dollar is doing, because you shouldn't have to worry if the market's going down or going up. You should always be making money. 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make